Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the emerging crypto projects making waves in the blockchain ecosystem, ZKJ Coin. If you're a crypto investor, or just someone keeping an eye on new tokens in the market, this update is a must-watch. We'll cover the latest news, ZKJ Coin's current price, some exciting project updates, and where this coin might be heading next. So stay tuned till the end. ZKJ stands for ZK Jump, a blockchain project that utilizes zero-knowledge proof, ZKP, technology. This makes the network more scalable and private. ZKJ is building a Layer 2 solution, especially for Ethereum, focusing on low gas fees, high transaction speed, and anonymous smart contracts. This could be a game changer for DeFi and Web3. Now let's talk about the ZKJ token. It's the native token used for staking, governance, and protocol upgrades. As of right now, ZKJ is trading around $0.4469. The market cap is around $130 million, which means it's still a small cap coin. That's high risk, but also high potential for explosive growth. Trading volume in the past 24 hours has jumped by 20%, which shows rising investor interest. And with major listings on MEXC, Gate.io, and Bitmart, the coin is gaining liquidity and exposure. Technically, ZKJ broke out from consolidation and is now finding support around $0.0070 to $0.0075. The short-term resistance is sitting around $0.0098. A key resistance level to break is the $0.012 mark, and if that happens, the next breakout target is $0.015. Now here's the big news. ZKJ just launched its ZK Bridge. This enables cross-chain interoperability using ZK proofs, which is huge. On top of that, they've partnered with Say Network, a Layer 1 project, to improve on-chain settlements. The team also rolled out an early staking program offering up to 40% APY, which is already attracting new DeFi users. Now let's talk price predictions. In a bullish scenario, if trading volume continues to increase and ZKJ breaks the 1 cent resistance, we could see it rise to $0.015 or even 2 cents in the coming weeks. But in a bearish scenario, if Bitcoin dips or the broader market corrects, ZKJ might fall back to its support level near $0.0065. However, if partnerships grow and the project keeps delivering on the tech side, ZKJ could potentially reach 5 cents to 8 cents in the mid to long term. Especially given the rising demand for ZK proof-based solutions. That's it for this ZKJ Coin deep dive, from price analysis to upcoming targets and tech updates. Let us know in the comments, are you holding ZKJ or planning to invest? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crypto updates, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an alert.